Most Excel users calculate running totals with long formulas, helper columns, or dragging. But Excel has a hidden function that behaves like Python. Scan. It lets you build running calculations with one clean formula. Scan takes three things: a starting value, a list, and a rule for how to combine values. Then it walks through the list step by step, applying the rule at each step, and outputs the entire sequence of results. Let's start with the most common running calculation, a running total. In the formula, 0 is the starting value, B2, B13 is the list of sales, and AC plus X means take the previous total and add the new value. Scan remembers the previous result, that's the accumulator, and adds the next value. Excel outputs the entire running sequence automatically. Now let's build a cumulative average. Scan builds a running sum. Sequence generates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and dividing gives the cumulative average.
Scan can also track the minimum or maximum value seen so far. Extremely useful for risk analysis, quality control, or time series monitoring. To get the minimum value, we start with a very large number. At each step, Scan compares the accumulator with the new value, and it keeps the minimum so far. To get the maximum value, we start with a very low number. At each step, Scan compares the accumulator with the new value, and it keeps the maximum so far. Scan is ideal for cumulative returns, cumulative production, cumulative emissions, running minimum/maximum thresholds, rolling transformations, and panel data workflows. It replaces entire blocks of formulas with one clean, dynamic expression.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful.